Hi, in this video I am going to walk you through the simple step to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 10 and 11. So let's start it. First step, click on search bar and search here apps. Click on it. Then see here apps and features are open. Then click on apps, default apps. Go down and see here web browser. So click on it and choose your favorite web browser like Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. So I choose Microsoft Edge. Then close this window. So my default browser is Internet Explorer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.